Got an NV3 file from a Nero Vision video editing project and need to continue your work? I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you reopen and manage these Nero Vision project files for your video and disk authoring needs. My experience tells me that some NV3 files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. NV3 files are video project files created by Nero Vision, a video editing and disk authoring application included in the Nero Multimedia Suite. They contain video editing timeline data with clip references, transitions, effects, titles, chapter markers, and disk menu designs for creating DVD and Blu-ray video disc projects. Nero Vision NV3 files use a proprietary format, storing project timeline structure with source media file references, clip, trim points, transition parameters, effect chains, title, overlay, data, chapter marker, positions, and disk menu layout configurations. Media files are referenced by path rather than embedded in the project file. For the NV3 file type, Nero Vision from Nero AG is a trusted and reliable source. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows may show the video quickly, but refining it requires dedicated applications. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your NV3 file and select Open with. Test Nero Vision if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If your NV3 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, opening in Nero Vision. Launch Nero Vision from the Nero Multimedia Suite and open the NV3 file using File then Open Project. The video timeline loads with all clips, transitions, effects, and disk menu designs. Ensure all reference media files remain at their original locations to prevent missing media warnings during project loading. Next, relinking missing media. If Nero Vision reports missing media files, browse to the new location of your video clips when prompted. Point the application to the folder containing the source video and audio files. Nero Vision remaps the timeline references, allowing the project to load completely with all clips reconnected. Finally, rendering final output. After completing your edit, export the final video using the export function. Select output format, resolution, and quality settings for your target delivery platform. For disk authoring, continue to the disk creation step, where Nero Vision burns your project to DVD or Blu-ray with the design menus and chapters. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.